long time no video. I'm definitely back. I have graduated college. So many things. I bought a house, so there was just a lot of things going on and moving my nail room. I think I posted the TikTok that I did of me setting up my new nail room. It's still a mess. I want to do like a mural back here and tons of stuff. So there's so much I have going on, and I definitely want to get back to YouTube and do this more regularly. But anyways, I'm going to do a ton of videos today so that I have them ready, and that during the work week I won't feel too tired to film, so I'll have them ready and I can drop them, because I have a September subscription box that I'm doing now, and then I have 2 October ones and 2 October Halloween boxes. So I'm gonna film all those today, and maybe even a Beatles fall gel polish. And then I'm also a brand ambassador for Cardoza Nail Supply and Illy Nail Supply. So I will have codes for those in their boxes, and I will be doing videos on that. I have so many videos, like literally like pages of it, that I want to do, and I'm kind of out of breath, and I'm kind of hyper. But anyways, today we'll be doing the September 2020 Glitz Accessories and Such subscription box. I had a code for them. I'm not sure if I still do, but it doesn't even apply to the subscription box, which I was kind of disappointed about, but like that's their choice. And I figured that's what you guys would want the most, is a code that would apply to the subscription box. So I will leave the code, I believe it's just Isabel, but I will leave the code linked down below, and you guys can see if it still works, because their products are great, and you can still order the products that are in this box. You would just have to order them separately. And I have to check, I'm like so out of sorts. The subscription box for this, let me check. The Glitz Accessories and Such subscription box. I don't even have it pulled up. Sub box. Here we go. It is, so you pay for it monthly. I don't think they have any other way of paying for it, and it's on sale for $29.99 every month. And they have a November exclusive coming out, which I don't even want to know what it is. Let's see. The subscription box, it tells you exactly what it includes. It doesn't have, oh wow, I'm like so out of sorts, so I'm so sorry. I'll try to make the other ones better. But it tells you exactly what's going to come in the next box. I don't want to know. But this is an old box anyway, so like I said, it's $29.99 a month, which is a pretty good deal with everything you get. I've always loved Glitz Accessories and Such subscription box. They're one of my favorites, and I like their products. But before I ramble on more, let's just go ahead and get into the September 2022 box. Okay guys, so I need a new tripod, so I'm literally using my camera on a phone tripod right now. So we'll see how that works. If it falls halfway through, I'll try and edit it out. But this is the Glitz Accessories and Such September 22 subscription box. Let's just go ahead and get into it. It says, let your creativity soar, Glitz Crystals hashtag, Glitz Accessories and Such hashtag. It says, hello gorgeous, your order is here. Okay, so they have a velvety gel, light, easier, and stronger. And it gives you step-by-step, which I don't need, no offense. And then it has a code with some glitters. And it says, thank you for your love and support. Jesus Christ. Please enjoy a special thank you offer. 10% off your next order using Thanks10. I'm pretty sure this comes in every box. Okay, and then the first thing in here are these beautiful, I don't even know what to call these, like glitters or, not like decals, what are they called? They're like, kind of like 3D art. Almost, with some of them. I can't even tell what's in it. I'll put it super close. Okay, and then it comes with 5D nail stickers of these beautiful flowers. It comes with these nail stickers. It says no soaking. Kind of just some geometric stickers. Let's see what else is under here. It comes with a magnetic pom-pom. It's like a peachy color. Single transfer foil, it looks like flames and Louis Vuitton. And then a single transfer foil that just looks like flowers. Comes with their 180 grit nail files, which I actually love and use. And it comes with this 3D flower. It's kind of a gray flower. Let's see what else. Oh, then it's got 2 more things in here, and then I'll get rid of this box. So it's got the Glitz accessories and such, velvety gel, light, easier, stronger in violet. It's thermal and glow in the dark. So maybe I do need the instructions. We'll go back to that. But then there's these, what are these? Like, let me open this. I get that they're like glitters, but. And here I go struggling to open everything because I don't want to break a nail. Okay. That didn't really help. I don't know what that is. Designer G Dramatic Glitter. Okay, I have never seen that before, but comes with those. So then let's open up, okay, there's instructions on the side as well. Start by doing a dry manicure to remove cuticle and oils and the nail plate. Clean with acetone using a lint-free wipe. Apply a thin coat of base gel. Apply a small bead of velvety gel using dual-ended velvety gel brush onto the nail. Okay, it would have been nice if they gave the brush, but understandable. And cure for 60 seconds. Avoid touching the cuticle. Remove residue with isopropyl alcohol. Shape and buff the nail. Okay, so is it like an extension gel? That's what it sounds like to me, but it comes in like colors. Oh, that's a big thing. Okay, so it's in the color violet. Let's see like the consistency. Okay. It looks like the seal came loose a little bit. Okay, I can't tell. Ooh. If like that's supposed to be the consistency or if it cured. But I believe it's like an extension, like polygel type thing. So we're just gonna leave that. I'll save the instructions. Okay, but everything that we got in the September box is right here. I think it gives a lot of room for fun art. I definitely like that it comes with this. I believe it's like a polygel type thing because I think I could use a polygel brush with this. So yeah. But yeah, everything that came in the box is super nice. I'm super excited for the Halloween box, which I'm gonna do next. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna try and get these posted like one day each week, and I plan to be back like normal, guys. I miss doing videos and I really want to make this my career. So I plan to be back, but everything we got was the pom-pom, the 3D flowers, the 5D nail stickers, 2 foils, these geometric nail stickers, the velvety gel nail files, these Designer G, these beads, and then don't forget the 10% off code that you guys can use. Okay, and I will check if my code is still active and I will leave it linked below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a little fast, I'm a little hyper, but I plan to be back with more videos, so stay tuned for the next one. Bye guys.